In this video, we'll walk you through how to action a cash purchase in your Reckon One book. First, select the Make Payment option from the Day-to-Day menu. You'll be taken to the Payment List screen and see a list of any previous payments. To create a new payment, click the Add button. This is the Make Payment screen, which allows you to create a brand new payment. Any fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. Start by entering the date for the payment. For the Payable Type field, leave it set to Accounts Payable. In the Contacts field, select a supplier. If your supplier isn't listed, you can create a new supplier by selecting the Add Contact option. If you don't want the payment linked to a specific supplier, you'll need to create a generic supplier for these types of transactions. Next, choose the bank account the payment will be made from. If you'd like to specify an exact payment amount, untick the Use Transaction Total option and enter a figure in the Amount field. Otherwise, leave it ticked. You can now add any extra details relevant to this transaction. Now, let's enter the transaction details. First, click the New tab. On the first line, select an account and then choose the appropriate tax code. In the Amount field, enter the figure based on your tax settings preferences for gross or net amounts. In this example, our tax settings for default sales figures is set to gross, so we'll enter a gross amount of $1,000. The tax amount will calculate automatically. Once the required information is entered, you can save the payment now or add more entries by clicking the Add New Row button. Let's go ahead and add an item. Select an item from the Item field, and its price and other information will populate automatically from its setup. If you need to change any details, simply overwrite these by clicking into the appropriate field. Next, enter a quantity and ensure the tax code is correct. The amount and tax fields will calculate automatically based on the price and quantity. If a discount applies, click the Discount field and enter either a dollar amount or a percentage. The amounts for the line will adjust automatically. Review the amount at the top for a grand total of the transaction. To delete a line, click the X button on the respective line. To rearrange any rows, click and hold the double-headed arrow icon to the left and drag the line to its new position. When you're finished, click Save. Once the payment is saved, you can add an attachment to the transaction if you wish. Simply drag and drop a file into the Attachment section and it will be uploaded. When you're done, click Save and Close to return to the payment list and your new transaction will be listed. Thanks so much for watching. For more support, please visit us at help.reckon.com or join our community at community.reckon.com.